How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make a torch effect in darkness on Geometry Dash. This is going to be extremely simple, so let's jump straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is to head over to build, and from here we are going to use a simple trigger called the lens circle. So you just want to scroll down until we find the lens circle option. So it's going to be on this area right here. Just click on it, place it wherever you want to, or where you want the effect to start place. In my case, I'm just going to use it at the beginning of our level to demonstrate it early. And then from here, click on edit object. And then for the size, you will be able to see the darkness right here. You just want to make sure that you increase it or decrease it to the size that you want to. So in our case, it's going to be something like 0.20, so the player can see still a little bit. Now from there, you then want to enable player 1, and of course for easing, you can then adjust this to whatever you want to, but generally just adjust the settings right here, and basically, let's just click on the play button, and we will get the torch effect on the Geometry Dash level. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.